In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a file to a perfect MP4 using Handbrake. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to video conversion, Handbrake is a fantastic free tool that makes it easy to convert video files into different formats with a few simple steps. First things first, if you haven't already installed Handbrake on your computer, you'll want to do that now. You can find the download by visiting Handbrake's official website. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, ensuring you can use it no matter your setup. Once you have Handbrake installed, go ahead and launch the application. You'll be greeted by a clean and straightforward interface, which makes this tool so user-friendly. Now you need to add your video file. You can do this by clicking on the open source button located in the application. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can drag and drop your video file directly into Handbrake. This flexibility allows you to choose whichever method suits you best or is most convenient at the moment. Next, you'll want to head over to the Summary tab. Here you can select MP4 as the container format. This step is crucial because choosing the right container ensures compatibility and the best quality for your output file. Now, you'll need to adjust some specific settings. Begin with the dimensions to ensure your video resolution is correct. Handbrake gives you the ability to adjust the width and height manually, which can be particularly useful if you're dealing with videos that need resizing. After fine-tuning the dimensions, turn your attention to the Video tab. Here, you can choose your desired video codec. The most common options are H.264 or H.265, known for their efficiency and high quality. You'll also want to set your quality settings such as bitrate or constant quality and choose an appropriate frame rate. This combination of settings is essential for influencing the final quality and size of your MP4 file. Don't forget the audio settings. Typically AAC is the most widely used audio codec, and you can adjust specific details like bitrate or channels to suit your needs. If you find adjusting individual settings daunting, or if you're unsure which to choose, Handbrake offers a range of presets. You can access these by clicking the Preset button. These presets are especially handy for quickly configuring settings tailored to specific devices or scenarios. Before starting your conversion, click Browse next to Save As to specify where you'd like your MP4 file to be saved. Once everything is set, click the Start Encode button to commence the conversion process. With these steps, you're well on your way to converting video files efficiently, ensuring quality results with every use. Thank you for watching and happy converting.